Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to change trusted or registered device on Wise. So first up here, open your Wise app as you can see on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left hand corner of your screen. And here, basically you will find this option. Now all you need to do is tap on the privacy and security. And here you will find all your login method. So basically here, just need to tap on this two-step verification right here at the bottom. And then right here, when you tap on this option here, it will show you this next page. So here under the other verification methods, you just need to tap on this Wise app. And here, use this app to confirm it's you. So tap on continue button right here at the bottom. And here on the next page, you just need to wait for a few seconds here. And finally, you can now verify yourself with this app. So tap on done. And here, basically, if you want to change trusted device on Wise, you just have to disable this option here, verified with this app. Once you remove this method, it will now change your trusted or registered device on your Wise. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.